Welcome, folks. Let's take a look at how we can edit a schedule in Bluebeam Revu. Here we have a sample PDF where we need to update the information that's locked in the PDF. So, how can we start to go through and edit it? It's easy. All we have to do is use Bluebeam Revu. Here, to do that, we'll go to the File menu and export the information in a format in a page region to Excel. So here we'll select the region of the schedule that we want to export, select it, name it, and then from here, automatically you'll see that this is going to open up in Microsoft Excel. Just that easy. Here, now we can use the power of Microsoft Excel to change the information. For example, I want to find and replace information, so it just makes it easier. This way, I can keep the formatting the same. And here I'm going to look for a particular item, maybe a material, and replace it with a different type. Through the power of Excel, I can do this very quickly and easily. Here we'll update the finish as well. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3, it's easy. Using Microsoft Excel to update this information. In addition to this, maybe we also need to fill out some additional information. Here, for example, in the details. So here I'll add the text style to match the existing text style in the Excel spreadsheet and simply put in the information here in Excel. Now, this is of course just an example, but I want to show you how easy it is to start to go through and fill out this information. Simply copying the information over, and then I'll format it, added the information as necessary, and then simply go through and copy that information down to update the rest of the schedule. 1, 2, 3. Easy. Now, at this point, I need to save this back as a PDF. So simply, all I have to do is save the document and then reprint it. Here, I'll choose to reprint the information and maybe even give it a little extra oomph and highlight the outside edge to be a little bit more bold. Here, I'll select just the area that I want to print, and I'll print this to my Bluebeam printer. Choosing a format that's similar in size will help me place it easier. And I'll simply print this as a PDF. Minimize Excel, and then in moments, I'll be able to save that information as a PDF. With the PDF, I'll use the snapshot tool to copy the information from this one sample PDF into my working drawings. Here, I'll simply Control V and paste it. You'll notice it's transparent right now, so I need to change its settings to have a white background. That way it masks the information behind it. Simply place it, stretch it, and we're good. At this point, I'll go ahead and do a revision cloud. Now the revision cloud I'll pick as yellow and place that information on top to say, hey, this needs to be updated. But oops, I forgot to change that, so it's a highlighter. And let's do it again. So here I'll choose Cloud Plus, again choosing yellow, this time using the highlight feature so I can see through it. I'll place the information on top of the schedule and then put my note, saying, hey, this needs to be fixed. See how easy it is? You can take any information from Revu and send it out to Microsoft Excel and round trip it back into Bluebeam Revu. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Thanks, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.